Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to delete your Instagram account. So let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is to go ahead to your profile. Go ahead and click on the three dashes on the top of your screen, then click on settings. Now click on help, then click help center. Click on help center, and we are going to enter the options. The next thing you want to do is to click on the three dashes again on the top of your screen, and what we are going to do is we are going to click manage your account. Click on manage your account, and the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on delete your account. Click on delete your account, and you can see we have the instructions on how you can delete your account. There's two levels. You can temporarily deactivate your account, or you can permanently delete your account. Now, when you permanently delete your account, you cannot recover it because all your posts will be permanently deleted from Instagram. So you can see what you have to do here is to go ahead to the settings and click account, and you will find the option. So now we want to click on back again, and we want to go ahead back to profile, settings, and click account. Then you want to scroll all the way down to delete account, and you can see we have the options right here. You can deactivate your account, or you can permanently delete your account. And that is how you do it, guys. I hope you found this helpful. Please be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe.